So, in a non-ideal solution, there are two curves, that is positive deviation and negative deviation. So, examples related to this we have discussed. But dear students, some another types of solutions are also prepared. They are called azeotrophs. So, what are azeotrophs? Azeotrophs, some liquids on mixing form azeotrophs, which are binary mixture. Means some solutions are binary mixture, they form azeotrophs. How? Having the same composition in liquid and vapor. In a vapor phase also and in a liquid phase also same interaction, same composition, and boil at constant temperature. They are boiling at constant temperature. Temperature do not change. In such case, it is not possible to separate the component by fractional distillation. And one interesting fact is there: we cannot separate the solute and solvent by fractional distillation or boiling, because their interactions are same in vapor phase and in the solution form, in the liquid form. So these types of solution form azeotrophs. Dear student, there are two types of azeotrophs. One is minimum boiling azeotrophs, another is maximum boiling azeotrophs. Now minimum boiling azeotrophs means what? Solution which shows a large positive deviation from the Raoult's law. We know that positive deviation is there if their deviation is more than the positive. Large positive means this one goes further curve, this also goes further curve, and this also goes large curve. Okay? So we can say that at a specific compositions, they show the minimum boiling azeotrophs. Some examples we can consider, like ethanol water mixture. So ethanol water mixture, we can take an example obtained by fermentation of sugar. Okay, on fractional distillation give a solution containing approximately 95% by volume of ethanol. Once, and this composition known as azeotroph composition has been achieved, the liquid and vapor have the same composition and no further separation occurs. So this is an example, we can say that. And the second is maximum boiling azeotrophs, means the solution that shows large negative deviations from the maximum boiling azeotroph at a specific composition. Large negative deviation means this P goes like this, large negative deviation is also further negative deviation, and this deviation is also further large negative deviation. Example, we can say that nitric acid and water, they also the example of this type. Okay, so this is a class of azeotroph. Thus azeotrophs has the approximate composition in nitric acid. 68% nitric acid is there and 32% water by mass, with a boiling point at 393.5 Kelvin. So dear student, we have discussed about non-ideal solutions. Okay, they show the positive and negative deviations, but some solutions are also showing more than positive and more than negative. They are called azeotrophs, and they are two types: minimum boiling azeotrophs and maximum boiling azeotrophs. And examples are ethanol and water. Okay, and here nitric acid and water. So I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.